Hello beautiful person watching this. Today I will show you how to make a Valentine's Day DIY Dollar Tree lamp, specifically Beauty and the Beast DIY Crafts, an enchanted rose lamp. It is a very easy lamp DIY. My name is Nora G and welcome to my Nook. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you can hit that subscribe button and join my Nook family for more interesting DIYs, decor and crafts and much more. And for my returning subscribers, what's up fam? Okay, so for this Valentine's Day DIY Dollar Tree, this is all you will need. Some red roses from the Dollar Tree, a vase from Dollar Tree, any clear vase will do just fine, some white rocks from the Dollar Tree, some metallic glass gravel from the Dollar Tree, a saucer from my vase, some Mod Podge, of course, and then some battery operated lights, green and red glitter, some E6000 glue and hot glue which I have plugged in right now. So let's get started before it burns all out. So I started off by creating some sort of a design at the base of my vase. I like that, base of my vase. Oh Nora, okay, so the base here is the opposite end of my vase. You could use the actual base, but that may be hard for you to do with this particular lamp DIY. I used Mod Podge and the metallic glass gravel to create a glam design, as you can see, for an extra touch and for this to match the bling design I will have at the top of the vase. I just did not want our Valentine's Day lamp to be too bare or too clear. This is the same metallic glass gravel I used for my DIY glam decor video. Link can be found above and also in the description box below, so you can check that out after this video. As you can see, I am not following any measurements for this, just freestyling until the gods say enough, my daughter. Okay, you can do the same. Just have fun with the vase and show it some love this Valentine period, okay? This easy lamp DIY and Valentine's Day DIY Dollar Tree lamp is inspired by Belle in the Beauty and the Beast. I love that story. If you haven't watched it before, make sure to check it out. I love cartoons, do you? It was one of my favorite stories as a kid, after Cinderella and the Little Mermaid. So please let me know in the comment section if you're a cartoon lover and which cartoon is your favorite. I would love to know, just for the fun of it. Belle and the Beast had a very lovely love story, and since we have Valentine's Day just around the corner, I thought this enchanted rose easy lamp DIY would be perfect for a non-conventional Valentine's Day decor or Valentine's Day gift idea DIY. I love and anything love stories, so yeah. So here we are doing an enchanted rose lamp for you all. I allowed it to set for about 4 to 5 hours and then added another layer of Mod Podge, gravel and some silver glitter for some extra sparkle. Once I had enough coverage, I allowed the vase to dry overnight while I went ahead to work on the other parts of this easy lamp DIY. Okay, so just watch as I complete this. So I will be using just a rose stem from this branch for our enchanted rose lamp DIY. This was the lucky one for this Valentine. I love roses, but this rose looked kind of plain to me for an enchanted rose. Look at that. So I thought to call on Tinkerbell for some red and green pixie dust to spruce up our rose a little and make it look more enchanted. And so let's see how that goes. So I actually went on to bend the wire inside the rose to make sure that it's the appropriate length for our vase before actually using the glitter over the rose, because I don't want to be touching this too much if I have to make any adjustments after. So make sure to do that before you actually apply the pixie dust, aka glitter, onto the rose. Okay, so let's spruce this up. Thank you, Tinkerbell. I only used the glitter on some parts of the rose petals as well as the leaves. I thought covering it all in glitter would look a little too much. I used Mod Podge to apply the glitter onto the petals and the leaves. Once done, I gave the rose a little shake to remove any glitter excess and then set aside to dry. So now I'll go on to apply the same thing on the leaves as well as the external part of the petals, just, to give it some sparkle. Watch as I do this. Meanwhile, if you did miss my previous upload on the modern boho decor I did last week, here is the link right above the screen right now, and you can also check that out in the description box below. Make sure to check it out right after this video. Thank you. And voila, our rose looks now more enchanted. Well, I know it is still not floating, but hey, it looks more enchanted now, don't you think? I know you agree. So then if you do and have watched this video up to this point, please do comment roses in the comment section and show your girls some love this lovers season. Thank you. Next, I will be spray painting this saucer, which I got from the dollar store, as you can see, for $1.50. I spray painted this silver using this Rust-Oleum metallic silver spray. I allowed to dry for about 4 to 6 hours. I will be attaching our enchanted rose to this spray painted saucer after molding the wires to my desired structure. I then went ahead to glue our enchanted rose to it using both E6000 glue and hot glue for a stronger hold. Watch as I do this. Once our enchanted rose was firmly glued, I used some of the white rocks at the base of the rose stem, gluing them with hot glue to cover the glued portion of the rose stem to the saucer. I kept gluing the rocks onto the bottom of the rose stem until I felt that it was covered enough. Okay, so just remember to leave some space at the edges where the rose vase will have to be glued onto the saucer. Okay, because if you do have the rocks go around that area, the vase is not going to sit well over the flower. And I went ahead to add a rose petal for some added touch, just like in the story. I then tried the vase over the rose to make sure the rocks were not standing in the way around the edges, and it was perfect. So I went ahead to glue the vase down using E6000 glue only. Any plans for Valentine's Day? No? Please let me know in the comment section. I know some of us are on lockdown, so do let me know. Thank you. I allowed the vase and the glue to dry overnight since E6000 glue takes a while to cure. Our enchanted lamp is almost ready, guys, but we're not there yet, okay? So this is the battery operated light I will be using for our enchanted rose easy lamp DIY. I got these from AliExpress a while back for $12 for a pack of 10. I used another one of this light in my glass lighted snowman DIY. Link above and in the description box for you to check it out after this video. I will be using the silver decorative gemstone mesh, which I bought from Amazon. Link can be found in the description box below. To properly cover the light, as this will be going onto the top of our vase. This will add some glam to our enchanted rose lamp. It matches the base of our lamp very well. I will glue this to the top of the lamp vase. I'm doing it this way to make it easy for one to change the batteries when the need arises. As you can see, I am doing it in both the top and the bottom. Gluing this inside will make it a one-time use, and I don't want that. Alright, so I'm putting the glue at specific spots so as not to cover the lights, and then I will glue that onto the top of our vase lamp. So now I will go ahead to cover the entire light with the decorative mesh, and just to make sure that it is properly covered, and also because this is going to be like a focal point of our enchanted rose lamp DIY. So why not make it look very glam, very bling, and very, enchanted. All right, let's keep going. And ta-da! There we have our glam battery operated light looking all bling bling. I just love how this looks. Guys, this looks like it is made of diamonds. I just really love that. Okay, so this is the remote for the lights and you can change the colors as you please. This is the result of our Valentine's Day DIY Dollar Tree lamp inspired by the enchanted rose in the love story of the Beauty and the Beast. Alright? Just look at that. Love it. One thing I love about this easy lamp DIY is that it is very versatile. You can use this beyond Valentine's Day. It is the perfect romantic lamp for your bedroom. Look at that. The perfect centerpiece for your wedding. Yes, because love is involved. The perfect table decor for your coffee table or your entryway if you wish. And most of all, the perfect and unique Valentine's Day DIY gift idea. So you can use it however you please. So make sure to try out this DIY. It is very, very affordable. I didn't break the bank to make this, and yet this will light up your world. Literally. I just love that. Look at that in the dark and tell me this is not enchanted. It actually looks like it's floating to me. I really loved how this turned out, guys. Love is in the air. So if you were enchanted by this video, please do smash that like button as well as hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified of my subsequent DIY videos and more. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self and lovable self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful 2021.